Managing Snowflake infrastructure is harder than it should be. Most tools either weren't built specifically for Snowflake, only handle one part of what you need, or come with a permission model that stops fitting your organization at some point. That's why we built Snowcap. Snowcap is an open source Snowflake-native infrastructure as code tool maintained by Datacoves. You define your resources in YAML or Python, run Snowcap plan to preview changes, and then run Snowcap apply to deploy them. No state file. Snowcap queries Snowflake directly on every run, compares your config to what's actually in the account, and generates the SQL to make them match. If someone creates a warehouse manually through the UI, Snowcap knows about it on the next run. Nothing to reconcile. It covers the full surface area of a Snowflake account. Warehouses, databases, schemas, roles, users, grants, dynamic tables, masking policies, stages, integrations, and more. Over 60 resource types. This is what a config looks like. You declare the resources, set the properties, and Snowcap handles the rest. The docs are at snowcap.datacoves.com and the repo is on GitHub. Links are in the description. The next video covers the installation and your first real config from scratch. Snowcap is being used by Datacoves customers. To learn more about how Datacoves enhances your Snowflake experience, visit datacoves.com/snowflake.